As the clouds drift inland, they bring rain to one of the least explored corners of our planet, the mountains of Mozambique. This is the wettest place in southern Africa. Decades of civil war have kept travellers away from this little-known land. It was satellite mapping that revealed the full extent of the forest that grows here. So now it's known to outsiders as the Google rainforest. It could also be called the butterfly forest. After the rains, butterflies have emerged together in huge numbers. As soon as their wings dry out, they will take to the air. Their goal? To find a mate. But how? There may be thousands close by, but the foliage is so thick it's difficult for them to find each other. They have a remarkable solution. They follow rivers upstream and travel to higher ground. The journey can take hours of determined flying. Eventually, they emerge into the only open space there is. The treeless peak of Mount Mabu. Up here, free from the confines of the forest, they hold a butterfly ball. Now the butterflies have all the space they need for their aerobatic courtship. The male's strategy is simple. Fly higher and faster than the competition, and just maybe you'll win a virgin female. This spectacular gathering, unseen by outsiders until now, happens for just half an hour each morning, and for just a few weeks in the year. Once mated, the females descend back to the rainforest to lay their eggs. A forest that only exists because of moisture rising from the warm Agulhas current, hundreds of miles away in the Indian Ocean. The rainwater now flows southwards from Mozambique's highest peaks to the lowlands of the Eastern Cape. And where the land flattens, rivers slow, creating a vast swamp 50 miles across.